gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
This is probably the longest underwater pressure test we've ever done at UIWC. We submerged the Redmi Note 17 Pro 1 meter below the water's surface and kept an old Three Kingdoms video playing continuously to find out just how long it could survive. Now let's head back to the studio and take a closer look at what this new Redmi Note 17 Pro has to offer.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
This time around, Redmi has adopted the same large, rounded corner design found on many flagship smartphones. Compared to smaller corner curves, it feels much more comfortable in the hand and provides a better grip during everyday use. Although the flat frame is still made from plastic, the 4V curved transition has been retained, so the phone doesn't feel sharp or cheap. The rear panel also has a smoother, more refined finish, giving the device a noticeably more premium feel than many competitors in its price range. The camera module has been moved back to the upper left corner, making the phone more comfortable to hold, especially in your right hand. Redmi has also gone with a stepped camera layout inspired by mahjong tiles, combined with metal lens rings, creating a cleaner and more elegant appearance. Last year, the Xiaomi 17 series impressed everyone with its display quality, and surprisingly, the Redmi Note 17 Pro has inherited some of those strengths. Thanks to upgraded luminescent materials, the display reaches an impressive peak brightness of 4,114 nits, while global peak brightness measures 1,047 nits. Outdoor visibility under bright sunlight is noticeably improved, and both color accuracy and color gamut performance are excellent. The phone features a 6.83-inch 1.5K OLED flat display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, delivering a viewing experience that can compete with certain flagship devices. Whether you're scrolling through daily apps or watching movies and TV shows, the screen looks fantastic. Viewing angles are equally impressive, with colors remaining accurate even when viewed from the side. For eye comfort, the display's blue light peak is measured at 458 nanometers, with a blue light energy ratio of 29.58%, making it more friendly to your natural sleep rhythm. Turning on eye protection mode further reduces blue light output. The display also combines DC dimming with 3840 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, and its SVM performance is surprisingly strong compared to many previous Xiaomi devices. On top of that, it includes dedicated sleep eye protection mode and gaming eye protection mode, showing that Redmi has clearly invested a lot of effort into improving eye comfort. That said, no matter how good the screen is, it's still best to avoid using your phone continuously for long periods to keep your eyes healthy. Powering the phone is the Snapdragon 6S Gen 4, paired with a massive 4769 square millimeter stainless steel VC cooling system. Does a Snapdragon 6S Gen 4 really need such a large vapor chamber? Well, after suffering through a 5-match losing streak while continuously playing Honor of Kings, both the front and back of the phone reached just 38.9 degrees Celsius. The large VC cooling system definitely proved its value during extended gaming sessions. Average power consumption for the entire device was only 3.3 watts. If you've been following our battery rankings, you probably already know where phones with similar power efficiency usually end up. So today, we're putting the Redmi Note 17 Pro through our UI Lab Battery Life 5.0 testing model to see exactly where it lands. Equipped with Xiaomi's massive 9,000 mAh Golden Sand battery, the phone completed 3 rounds of light and heavy workload testing and delivered an impressive total battery life of 10 hours and 18 minutes, securing 3rd place on our battery endurance leaderboard. What's even more impressive is that this result actually outperformed several smartphones equipped with 10,000 mAh batteries. After the first 5-hour testing session, the phone still had 69% battery remaining, while the highest recorded temperature was just 41.3 degrees Celsius, located around the SoC area on the back.
After that, we moved on to the second stage of our heavy load battery test. The most demanding title was Ming Dynasty, which consumed 15% of the battery in just 1 hour. During this session, the highest temperature recorded on the phone was 43.5 degrees Celsius. Once all 4 games were completed, the Redmi Note 17 Pro still had 20% battery remaining. To finish the test, we played Genshin Impact for 1 hour, followed by 18 minutes of StarCraft. With that, the Redmi Note 17 Pro completed our full battery endurance test, lasting an impressive 10 hours and 18 minutes. For a large 6.83-inch smartphone equipped with a massive 9,000 mAh battery, that's an outstanding result. Now let's talk about charging. The Redmi Note 17 Pro comes with 67-watt fast charging support. It can reach over 50% battery in around 40 minutes and takes about 86 minutes to charge completely. Throughout the entire charging process, the phone's highest temperature stayed below 40 degrees Celsius. In addition to its 67-watt wired charging, the phone also supports up to 55-watt PPS fast charging. So if you happen to leave your charger at home, borrowing a compatible charger from someone else can still get you powered up quickly. Beyond the confidence that comes with such a huge battery, the Redmi Note 17 Pro also carries IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K certifications for dust and water resistance. Whether it's accidental splashes, spilled drinks, or even extreme conditions like heavy rain and prolonged exposure to water, this phone is built to handle it without any trouble. Wait a second, aren't we forgetting something? That's right, the phone is still underwater. All right, it's been 5 hours and 21 minutes, let's finally take it out. After spending 5 hours and 22 minutes submerged 1 meter underwater, the Redmi Note 17 Pro powered on and functioned completely normally. The display worked perfectly, and there wasn't any moisture or fogging inside the camera lenses. It also set a new record by continuously playing video underwater for more than 5 hours. Alongside its exceptional battery life and impressive waterproof performance, the Redmi Note 17 Pro also includes several thoughtful features designed to stay useful over time. One of them is support for up to 300% volume, making it much easier for elderly users or people with hearing difficulties to hear calls and media clearly. The phone also offers family care features, including location sharing and family services, allowing loved ones to check real-time location information while also receiving alerts about spam calls and suspicious messages to help reduce the risk of telecom fraud. If an emergency occurs, such as a fall, the device can automatically contact emergency numbers while sharing the user's live location. There's also a built-in medical emergency card that stores important details like blood type, height, and weight for quick access when needed. If you've already bought Xiaomi smart wearables, such as a Xiaomi Band or Xiaomi Watch for your family members, you can sync and share health information, making it easier to monitor heart rate, sleep quality, and other important health data to better protect their well-being. The Redmi Note 17 Pro also comes equipped with comprehensive anti-fraud protection. Besides blocking common spam and marketing calls, it includes AI-powered anti-fraud features that add another layer of security for you and your family. Wait, the Redmi Note 17 Pro even supports remote software management? I'll definitely need to figure out how to stop it from forwarding so much spam news. As for pricing, the Redmi Note 17 Pro starts at 1,599 yuan in China, which works out to roughly £176 in the UK and around $236 in the USA. The Redmi Note series has now been around 12 years, dating back to 2014. Over that time, it has evolved from being known as a phone that challenged counterfeit devices into one of the country's most popular smartphone lineups. Throughout that journey, practicality has always remained at the heart of the Redmi Note series. From its outstanding battery endurance to industry-leading waterproof resistance to its advanced eye protection and comprehensive family care features, every upgrade has been focused on making the everyday user experience better while reducing long-term ownership costs. At a time when smartphone prices continue to climb, a dependable, durable, and practical device like the Redmi Note 17 Pro is exactly the kind of phone many people are looking for. And that's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful and now have a better understanding of the Redmi Note 17 Pro, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, save it for later, and share it with your friends. This is Wailan, I'm Xiaoran, and we'll see you in the next one.